Today we are going to learn how to unzip our digital Bible, whether it be the Proverbs, the Psalms, you're going to learn how to unzip it because it comes in a zip file. Hi everyone, my name is Jordan. Welcome to Etch by Faith. Now we are going to go ahead and double click. Now I am doing this on the laptop. So yes, you can Bible journal, digital Bible journal, that is on the laptop or on a PC. Okay, and I use Zoto because it works across platforms and it also works on your laptop or your computer. So I'm going to tap onto the zip file and you'll see the sign here that says extract. Of course, it's already open because I already unzipped it, but I'm also going to show you how to do that. So let me delete this first, so there is no confusion. And so when you tap on it, you'll see extract at the top. You can also right click if you're using a mouse, and you will also see extract. You're going to go ahead and select that. Then you're going to press the button that says extract, and it's going to extract your file. It's pretty simple. It may take a little while depending on how much space you have, if you have other programs running in the background. And then our file is unzipped. So we're going to double tap, and then we can see the content of our file. And so we're seeing here everything that you will be receiving. You get a folder with all your stickers because you do get free stickers with this Bible. You get the original version and the compressed version. So if you're rocking with limited space, you have the compressed version and you have your thank you plus your download guide. All right. Thank you for checking out this video. See the next video up top to see how to get the most out of your stickers.